Hello. Today I'm working with some submarine samples and I thought I'll do a little video for you so that you get an impression as well. So here is one of these samples. This is a dredge sample, meaning that they were brought up with steel buckets from the ocean floor. This is from south of El Hierro, from the South El Hierro Ridge. And this is a lapillistone. It's made up of tiny little fragments, lapilli, of pumiceous material, but also more mafic material. So here, for instance, we have a more mafic fragment, and then we have the light colored pumiceous fragments. And the interesting thing is that it's got a crust. So here's quite a thick crust. So you see the lapillistone here, and that's the thick kind of manganese and cobalt rich crust. And that's the interesting part about this. So here's a bit of crust that's broken off. Here you see the surface. Here's some organic features, and the crust is in this case about 1 centimeter thick, and then there is some coating on top, and then we have the lapillistone underneath. Here's a larger fragment, and here we see that as well. So here we have the crust, the manganese crust, and this is the lapillistone. And here we have a somewhat thicker crust. Here it's several centimeters thick. And here's the surface of it. That's how it would look on the ocean floor. And these crusts, they form from precipitation of manganese, and it contains a lot of other elements like cobalt, and these are quite rare elements actually. So we think that this could be something for the future. If our shortage of certain metals is continuing, then this might be something to look into in more detail. And if we can manage to get more of this from the ocean floor, then this could be a really interesting resource. So here's the surface bit of it. And I'll show you this once more. So much of the lapillistone is of course altered, but here the interesting thing is really the crust. And the alteration could be interesting. There could be some residual enrichment of certain elements, but the manganese crust is really the thing. And this little project looks at whether it's worthwhile to take these crusts for further research. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this. And I'm going to close with an overview shot. And hopefully I can show you a few more in the next little while. Thank you for joining again. Bye bye.